Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm here in Santan Valley touring Hovnanian's newest community, so stay tuned. I had to switch areas because it was really hot out. So I think it was like 104 degrees today, but nonetheless, hey, what's going on, everybody? Kablista Kababines. My name is Kuya Oscar, or just Oscar, and I'm your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area for all brand new construction homes. I go around all the brand new communities here in the greater Phoenix area, and I showcase model homes as well as move-in ready homes, guys. So if you are planning to move to Arizona and you're looking to buy a brand new construction home, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction communities here in Arizona. And if you're planning to move here, guys, I've already helped numerous families move here and help buy their own home, and I would love to be a part of your journey. So today I am here in Santan Valley, and I'm touring Hovnanian's newest community called Edgewood. Edgewood is all single level homes, and they have, again, two series. We are going to be touring in the estate series, which is the bigger floor plans and also bigger square footage and lot size. Okay, so I'm excited to show you. The model that we will be touring today is called the Frankfurt floor plan. It is plan number 6349. It's 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,838 square feet. Stay tuned to the end of this video because we will be talking about the HOA in this community. We'll talk about what's around this community. We'll also talk about lot size, build out times, and all that good stuff. Okay, guys, so with that being said, let's get this home tour started. Okay, guys, so this is the Frankfurt plan. Really nice home. Okay, now with these plans, Hovnanian actually made it really simple, and they have 3 different style packages. We'll get more into the packages later in this video, but this is the loft package. So all you see comes in the loft package, okay? So as you walk into the front door, you have a nice kind of front porch area here. Really nice, good seating area. All right. Love this, what they did with the wall. That's really nice. Okay, guys, so as you enter through the front door, really nice tall ceilings. These are about 10-foot ceilings here, and as you look further into the main living area, you can see that it's vaulted ceilings, but we'll go ahead and check out that area here shortly. But in the foyer area, guys, wanted to point some things out here, especially with the Plus Premium package. You have 24 by 24 tiles here, okay? What's different between the Plus Premium and also the Plus package, the Plus package comes with kind of like that wood style tiles. So it's about 6 by 24 option or 6 by 32, 6 by 24 option or 6 by 36 option. And they have different color schemes there as well. But that's a huge difference between the Plus Premium and also the Plus plan. As you enter also in the foyer area, you do have coffered ceilings, so that's really nice as well. Okay, and you can hang a right, and if we go this way, I brought my dealer with me. Hey, look, show me your shirt. Hug dealer, she gives me hugs when I need them. As you take a right off of the foyer area, you do have 3 bedrooms here. What's really nice is that they do have this flex space area here, which is really nice, very comfortable too. They have a nice little sectional here, and so let's go take a look at this bedroom. This bedroom here is really this is a good sized bedroom. I love the staging here. They do like a basketball style theme. Mindset is true, no doubt. No doubt. Man, I gotta get in touch with some of these stagers because they do a really good job. But yeah, this is a very spacious bedroom, guys. Tall ceilings here as well. So this is pretty standard 10 foot all around the house. There's the closets here. Good sized closet as well. Okay, and just right across from that bedroom is a full bath. Okay, so that's really nice. And you have another bedroom here where my dealer is hanging out. Got like a little horse theme here. Love it. Really spacious bedroom, guys. You said you want this bedroom? I know it's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Okay, so that's one bedroom there, and then the other bedroom is just right off of this loft here. Yeah, with like a dinosaur theme. That's really cool. Oh, this is pretty sweet. This from Jurassic. Look at that. Pretty sweet. So this Frankfurt plan, this is a 3-car garage. They're utilizing it as like a construction office, so I can't really show you, but 3-car garage is very well spaced there as well. Here's a laundry area, very spacious laundry room, shelving there, so you know you have more storage space, but really good size. You do have a closet door, closet here, and like a mud area here as well, so you could hang your bags or put away your shoes. Here is off to the right hand side is the office, and you do have like a powder bathroom here as well. Going down the foyer area, continuing down, you do have more storage. And now we're entering the kitchen, dining area, and also the main living space. So I absolutely love this. Take a look at the beams on the top. Now that is definitely an option that you can choose. Love that arc there as well. But let's start off in the kitchen. So again, this is the loft package, guys. Okay, and this is the Plus Premium. So the Plus Premium, as you can see, it's an oversized island, but it does have a nice waterfall on the kitchen island. So that's really nice. Plenty of cabinetry all around too. Love the floating shelves. If you love to cook, guys, this is the kitchen that you would want. Okay, love how it's open concept to the dining area and also into the main living space. But this is a beautiful, beautiful kitchen here, guys. Really nice kitchen. Here is the pantry. Nice size pantry there. And here is like kind of your dining area here. They have a tent here. That's a big family right there. Look at that. And as you notice, the scaling too, so it's not so tight. So I'm comfortably walking around, the dining table. So again, this is a 10-seater, and there's plenty of space to walk around the dining table and kind of get around. So that's really nice. Here's the main living space. And with although there's all the lights on, there's plenty of natural lighting. So that's really nice. Okay, so really good sized main living space. Now, what's really nice about this floor plan is that the primary is separate from all the other bedrooms. Okay, so your primary is just right off of the kitchen, just right around this corner here. So here's the primary bedroom. Okay, and you have nice coffered ceilings here too. And the primary bedroom gives it some nice character there. Nice size bed, as this is a king size bed, and look on both sides, a lot of space. You can even get, I don't know if you guys ever heard of the Alaskan King, but the Alaskan King is massive. It's actually I think it's 2 king size bed put together, but it is huge. So yeah, here is the primary bedroom. Here is your primary bath. Now, I know there is an option to put a soaking tub right here in the middle, so that's really nice. You have a nice stand-up shower there. And here's the toilet area and the primary closet. Nice built-in shelving system. Really nice primary bedroom. Okay, so let's go take a look at the outside. Now, this is a structural upgrade that you can do. This 3-panel sliding door here, okay, which I would do. It's because it's just really nice to have. If you open the sliding door fully, now you kind of have this outdoor indoor living concept situation, so they can both interact with each other. But this is pretty standard, guys. This covered patio, as you can see, is pretty big, so have a nice seating area here. Okay, entertainment system right here on this wall, but this is a really good sized covered patio area here in the backyard. Now here, the backyard is if you purchase this home, and with any brand new construction home, the backyard is just bare. So this is something that you could very well do when with your backyard. So they have a nice turf area there, nice kind of paved area here with a nice dining table. Okay, here's the side yard, your AC units down there. This is pretty nice. I actually really like the layout of this floor plan. What I really love most about this floor plan is how the other bedrooms is on the other side, and it also has that kind of that flex space area for them to have their own entertainment. That other bedroom that stays as a basketball room, that could be a great option for your guests. And the other 2 rooms, those were really good sized rooms, but those were staged as like a kid's bedroom, so that kind of could give you an idea on how to kind of lay out the bedrooms, but nonetheless, all really good sized bedrooms. Okay guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. So let's get right into the HOA. The HOA in this community is $100 a month. That covers your common areas, your tot lots, walking trails. It's a really nice community. Now, as far as the different series, again, you have 2 series. You have the Villa series and also the Estate series. The Estate series is where this model home is located, and it's the bigger lot sizes. Okay, so you have about 2,500 plus in square footage of home, and then you also have 7,200 in lot size. Okay, as far as build out times, if you're looking to build out one of these homes in this community, you're looking at about a 6-month build out time. And Camp Minion, as I had mentioned earlier in the videos, they made the buying process simplified for you. Meaning is, instead of choosing all these options, they actually have just simplified it and put it all into one package. Okay, so as far as the different packages go, you have 3 different style packages that you can choose while you are choosing the different options for your home. So one is the loft, the other is the farmhouse, and the other is the classic. The one that you just saw is the loft. Okay, and with those 3 packages, you can either do the plus or the plus premium. So the plus premium will have additional features such as that waterfall feature in the kitchen island. So that is really, really nice, guys. Okay, so where exactly is Edgewood community? So that community is actually right off of Pima Road, West Pima Road. Okay, and if you go west, Pima Road turns into Queen Creek Road. Okay, and if you follow that for about 5 minutes, you end up in the Queen Creek Marketplace. All right, so you're literally about 10 minutes away from the Queen Creek Marketplace, and over there in that whole complex, you have all your grocery shopping, you have retail shopping, great restaurants, and you also have your Costco there. So you're very close to all of that, okay? So as far as incentives go, on the villa side and also the state side, they're offering two different incentives. On the villa side, on select homes are offering a promotional rate of 4.875, which is really good. Or they're offering a 3 to 5%, which could go towards your rate buy down, your closing costs, or you could do a combination of both. And on the state side, they're offering $20,000, and that could go towards, the exact same thing, okay? So a little bit more there. So guys, they do have a lot of quick and move-in ready homes. Okay, so if you are wanting more information on some of the quick and homes, definitely feel free to reach out. I would absolutely love to help you. I can even provide you with a list of those. So this community has different models, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the screen, both on the villas and also the estate series, so you guys can see exactly, what is available as far as home options. So I'll go ahead and put that on the screen for you. Aside from that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions on this specific community, or if you have questions on another community that you're looking at, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I would definitely love to create you a personalized video or answer any questions that you may have. Okay, guys, so with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.